Today, I'm diving into the ultimate showdown to see who comes out on top in the Ripple versus SEC battle. Can I break down the arguments and figure out who really has the edge? The Ripple versus SEC case is a huge deal in the crypto world with major implications for other cryptocurrencies. This lawsuit has been making headlines for a while, and its outcome could set a precedent for the entire industry. The SEC's lawsuit against Ripple centers around allegations of illegal securities sales. The SEC claims that Ripple's XRP token is a security and that the company sold it without proper registration. This is a big deal because if XRP is considered a security, it could change how other cryptocurrencies are regulated. The SEC argues that Ripple's sales of XRP were essentially unregistered securities offerings, which is a violation of federal securities laws. Ripple's defense is based on the idea that XRP has been used for years as a digital currency, similar to Bitcoin or Ethereum, and that it has a fully functioning market. They argue that the SEC's classification of XRP as a security is incorrect, and that it would stifle innovation in the crypto space. Ripple also points out that many other countries, including Japan and Singapore, have already recognized XRP as a digital currency, not a security. The potential consequences for the crypto market, if Ripple loses this case, are huge. It could lead to a wave of new regulations that might stifle innovation and limit the growth of other cryptocurrencies. If the SEC wins, it could set a precedent that forces other crypto companies to register their tokens as securities, which could be a major burden. The case has seen some significant developments recently. A court ruling allowed Ripple to access certain internal SEC documents that could help their defense. These documents might reveal whether the SEC had inconsistent views on the classification of digital assets, which could strengthen Ripple's argument. The stakes are high for Ripple, and the broader implications for the crypto industry are just as significant. If Ripple can successfully defend itself, it could pave the way for clearer regulations and a more stable crypto market. So what do you think? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you're interested in more insights on cryptocurrency news, check out my other videos for the latest updates. Crypto for Seniors has changed. We now are laser focused on this channel being only for crypto. For retirement, check out Retirement for Seniors. For starting in YouTube, stop by YouTube for Seniors 1. Both going live on April 27, 2025. Crypto for Seniors. Crypto, mining, product reviews and consulting.